Hey everybody, it's me, Jamie, back with Reviews by Jamie. So I'm going to be doing this, of course it's upside down, this fun opening for FabFitFun. I actually asked them if I could do an unboxing on my YouTube channel because I haven't done one in a while, and I love FabFitFun because it contains not just makeup, and as you can see I'm not like so makeup-y, and I like other stuff. I like the lifestyle, I like the makeup, I like everything in it, but I like how there's something like of every category, so it's really fun. Here's the part where I edit out me trying to open it for the next 20 minutes, so, oh wait, I think I got it. By the way, this is a fun winter box. Isn't it pretty? And it says it supports women's Alzheimer's movement. Okay, so the first thing is, oh, they have like a magazine type of thing. Next, oh, a waffle. I love waffles. No, it's not really one. What is this? Ooh, this is amazing. It's like a sample of a mattress. So if you have like a pet mouse, or if you have like, you know, a pet bug. No, I'm just kidding. It's so you can feel it, and it actually feels amazing. When I was pregnant, I had to get a new mattress because everything on my body was just like going to hell. So I got a new mattress, and it helped with my shoulder because I'm having a shoulder thing. So it's pretty cool. It's a discount on it. Next up, a $30 gift card plus free silver studs to a cute jewelry company called, I think this is called Sterling Forever, which is really cool. Okay, I just read this as Saved by the Bell, which reminds me of my podcast. You should, I didn't plan that, but you should go watch it. I'll tag it, I'll link it below. It's Goodnight Millennials. It's me and my husband. We do current events, but since we were both born in the mid-'80s, we kind of have a lot of stories from the 80s, 90s, 00s, stuff like that. Ooh, and a HelloFresh $90 gift card. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Next is a yo-yo. Oh my god, the battery. It looks like a yo-yo, but it's not. It is a shower speaker. That's so weird. When I was in the shower today, I was thinking about how I wanted a speaker because I wanted to listen to something. That's pretty cool. I used to have like a shower radio. It was so cool. But I guess now you just need a speaker. But it's really pretty. Oh no. It's really pretty. It has flowers on it and a suction cup on the back so you can hang it and it won't roll away like it just did. Ah, I love this. No way. For love, not fur. I was literally, not a blanket, but I was looking for a hat, like a pom hat, and it was all like they were real fur pom-poms on top, and I really didn't want that, so this is really nice. A fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux tongue twister. But it's a blanket. Isn't it so soft? Oh, that's awesome. I just love a good blanket. I was just reading how you can't have like, it might have been like a meme, but it was like, just get me a blanket. I can always use a blanket. Anything soft and cozy I can use, and I feel the same way. Like, just like this shirt. Like, it's soft, it's cozy, I need it. This is probably going to be my Thanksgiving attire. Other people are in like fancy, you know, their dresses and this and that, and I was like, no, this is amazing. There's room like to grow in it, and it's leopard, and I just love it. It's comfortable. So yeah. That's me on Thanksgiving. Oh, fun. Okay, the Beauty Bakery. Not focused. I've heard of this brand. It's called Proof is in the Puddin'. First, I thought this was totally a recipe book, and I was like, okay. But it's makeup, so that's fun. It's an eyeshadow palette. These are the best colors. Oh, they're seriously the best colors. Oh, I love these. I really needed something new. All of my makeup is old, and not just like, oh, it's a year old. Like, some of it is like 10 years old. So I'm going to go through stuff, maybe in a video, and just kind of get rid of stuff. But these are gorgeous. Like, this looks like a super light pinky like highlight. Oh, these are so pretty. These are really my style. Neutral, but like a little colory. Oh, so cool. Okay, so this is Ahava. This is a brand. It's like is from Israel, I think. And it's dead sea salt, bath salts. I use bath salts all the time in the bath. And I just love them. They're like, I need to detox, I need to clear things out, and they're help with your muscles and stuff and make your skin feel smooth. And Ahava is a really good brand, so they had the best face lotion one time and then they discontinued it. It was the only thing that worked on me. A face mask. There's 6 of them. So you get like a renewal and eye, you get a hydrating, exfoliating, clarifying, brightening, antioxidant, and age defying. Okay. So this is Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Wait, salt hand. A salt hand. No, salt. Okay, oh wait, I'm so dumb. Okay, it's an Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So that is cool. It's a lavender oil and more Epsom salt for me, which is great. So, and I love lavender oil to calm me down, obviously. Oh, I wanted this. Okay, this is the original makeup eraser. So you can erase your makeup without water. So, no, with just water. Hello? Okay, so without soap, I guess I was gonna say. So it contains 1 makeup eraser cloth, and that is so cool. So it's antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, good for sensitive skin, and saves money. I really like it. Last week, my whole face broke out because if you follow me on Instagram, I had pimples all over, and the only reason is because I didn't use a makeup wipe to take off my makeup at the end of the night. So I broke out like crazy. So this is nice. I don't like putting a lot of chemicals and putting a lot of stuff on my skin. And I think I'm doing a good job because I'm 36 years old and my skin is pretty nice. So I think this is going to be really good. Just kind of like, it'll like exfoliate, take off makeup, and it's just with water. Ooh, and it looks really soft. This is like their cozy box, I think, for relaxing. Yeah, it probably is. Oh, there's a lot of crinkly paper in here. If anybody needs, I have. So, just letting you know. This is called Prep Rally, a prime and prep detangler. Oh, it's Dry Bar brand. Where was I watching this person? Oh, I think on Shark Tank, the owner of Dry Bar. She was on there. And she seemed pretty cool. So you put this on damp hair and brush through before blow drying. And then what does it do? Primes and preps. Oh, it's a heat protector and detangler. I like that. All stuff I totally need. Cool. Sorry. Tons of paper. Slipped through here. Okay, that was it. Ah! Okay. Oh my god, this whole thing wasn't focused. That's it. I quit everything. Oh my god, it really wasn't. Hello? Frick. I'm sorry, I haven't filmed in a while, and I was just looking at things. They're blurry. I think it's blurry right now still. Oh my god, hello? The focusing is totally off. Sorry, I'll get better again. Anyway, I forgot that this is the correct way to open the FabFitFun box. So, yeah, isn't it cute now? Anyway, I'm gonna go thumbnail it up. See ya. It's not my day. It's not my day.